Ready to skip the automation setup struggle and jump straight into streamlined workflows? Let's dive into how to import workflows into your N8n instance. Making automation a breeze. First, find the workflow you want to import. This could be from a community template or a workflow shared with you. Now, in your N8n instance, look for the Import Workflow button. Usually, this is located in the top right corner. Click it. A dialog box will pop up. This is where you'll select the workflow file you want to import. N8n accepts files in JSON format. Make sure your workflow file is in the correct format. Once you've selected the file, click Open or Import N8n will then load the workflow into your workspace. Now, take a moment to review the imported workflow. Check all the connections, credentials, and settings to ensure they align with your specific needs and environment. You will need to update credentials and any environment variables to match your setup. Make any necessary adjustments and then hit that execution button. Congratulations, you've successfully imported and deployed workflow in N8n. Go explore endless possibilities.